Welcome back, everyone. Today we are going to show you how to cut out a Corian solid surface sink. If this video helps you become a better fabricator, please hit the like button. It really helps this channel. Unfortunately, we installed the wrong color sink in this vanity top. The sinks are expensive, so we are going to be careful to create a smooth, consistent cut so the sinks can be reused. Because we want to save the sink for another project, a specialty 3 3/4 inch diameter router bit is needed. The flange of the sink is 1 inch, so this will cut completely through it. It's only a 1/4 inch thick, so reusing the sink will leave plenty of flange thickness. The diameter of the bit is 3 3/4, so be sure to use a variable speed router and reduce the speed to 15,000. Another difference, you'll need to install the router bit with the base pushed down close to the collet. Otherwise, the large diameter bit will not go through the router base. So first, set the top of the cutting edge a 32nd of an inch lower than the bottom of the material. You're going to be leaving a little bit of sink on the bottom of the material so you can sand that off later before you mount the new sink. Okay, so as I start cutting, it's important to make the most consistent cut possible. Work around the sink in one motion to eliminate offsets or gouges to the underside of the material. I've shown the cutting here in real time to show the speed necessary to get a nice clean cut. Cutting too fast is going to leave chipping along that leading edge, which will show when you mount the new sink. If you are trying to save the sink and you do not care about the top, raise the router bit to the bottom of the cutting edge cuts just into the top of the sink. That way you'll maintain the maximum flange thickness. So as you come around to where you started cutting, have a coworker below the sink ready to catch it, otherwise it's just going to fall to the floor. So there you have it. That's the way you cut out a sink. The new opening will be ready for your new sink. It's got, obviously has to be the same style of sink, but you should be able to just flip the countertop over, sand off that little bit of sink that was left behind, and you should be able to mount the new sink. It should be ready to go. Anyway, hope you like this video. Hope it helps you become a master fabricator. I have over 50 solid surface how-to videos, so please check out my channel. Thanks for watching.